I'm so glad that you're here. A stego is Weston's favorite dinosaur. And today I want to draw a skateboarding stego and show it to Weston. I think if he likes it, he might even hang it up in his room. Ah! Weston, what are you doing here? Did you hear what I just said?
Yeah.
Oh, do you want to draw a skateboarding stego with me?
Yes, I was hiding in the closet.
Oh my gosh, you're hiding in the closet? Oh my gosh, he was hiding in the closet. Do you want to come draw a skateboarding Stegosaurus with us? Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's get started on our skateboarding Stegosaurus. First, we're gonna draw our skateboard. So in the middle bottom part of the page right here, we are gonna draw a long line to start off our skateboard. Mine's gonna have a little bit of a curve. I'll add a little curve on the ends, on both sides. And then we're gonna do another curved line that follows it, just a little bit below it. So just a little bit of space between our lines. And this is gonna be the bottom line of our skateboard. And then we'll do a curve on both ends to connect the two lines, just like that. Next, we're gonna draw two wheels for our skateboard. So we'll draw one right here and one right here. I'm gonna do a circle just like this. And then I'm gonna draw another circle on this side for the front wheel. And now we just have a fun skateboard. And let's go ahead and do our dinosaur's legs. So we'll do one straight line for his front leg. Kind of moved there, that's all right. And then we're gonna do another line for his back leg. And then let's go ahead and fill out these legs. So we'll do another line here. And this is gonna be his front leg. And let's do another line here, going down for his back leg. And then let's draw a curved line for his belly. Next, we're gonna go ahead and draw his neck. So I'm just gonna go up in a curved line, just like a little neck. And then we're gonna add his tail from here. Oh, I'm gonna do like a long fun tail that just goes straight out with a little curve at the end. Boop. And then I wanna go ahead and let's add his back legs before we forget. And so I'm gonna do just a straight line down from right here. I'll just draw a little line at the bottom so that matches up. And then I'll do the same thing over here for his other back leg. We'll go a straight line down. And another line at the bottom so it matches up. You're doing so good. Let's keep going. You can do it. Let's start back at his head and we're just gonna do a little circle. We want it to be easy. So here's his neck. We'll go up a little bit more. And then we're just gonna do a small circle. See, look, I made him a little mistake, but we'll just keep going because he's gonna look great anyways. And we're gonna do, so here's the top of his head. We've done a little part of a circle, and let's just keep going down for his neck. Just follow the line down. And now we're gonna kind of do a curved line for his back that goes from here. We're gonna curve up and then we're gonna curve back down and go all the way down to his tail. So let's go ahead and we'll start back up at our neck. And we'll do a curved line, and then we'll follow all the way down to his tail. Whoop. I think he's looking so cute already. I love it. And Breadies, if your picture looks a little bit different, that is okay. It would be boring if everybody's looked totally the same. I think we need to go ahead and add his stego spikes. So this will be a really fun part because you could do some small stego spikes along his back, or you could do big stego spikes on his back. You can make him look however you want to make your dinosaur look. So I think I'm gonna do a spike that goes kind of back, kind of like he's going fast. So it makes him look like he's going fast. And I'll just start drawing some spikes, and I'm just doing my spikes by doing triangles. And I'm gonna make mine look a little funky because I think it's more fun that way. Remember, this is just a drawing. It's just a little doodle. It's for fun. So don't get stressed. Just do whatever makes you happy with your picture. What do you think we should do? Should we do a frowny face? Or we could do a happy face. We could do a silly face with the tongue sticking out. Maybe let's do a silly face. Let's try it. Let's do a smile. I'll do a curved line. And then I think I'll do a little tongue sticking out, like he's going down a hill with his tongue out. I think that looks fun. And then let's do an eye. And normally I like to do a big, cute eye, but I don't want this one to be too big. So let's draw a circle right here. For his eyes, I decided to do 2 little circles. Look how cute he is. I think I want to draw some lines to make it look like he's going super fast. Would that be fun? Like maybe he's going down a big hill. I'll just do a straight line. Then maybe another line. Buddies, I just finished Weston's skateboarding Stegosaurus picture. You guys, I'm so proud of it. And let's show Weston and see if he likes it. Wes, what do you think of your Stego? Wes, what do you think of your Stego?
My mommy like it.
You like it?
I'm so sure he's going fast.
Yeah, he's going super fast.